Hello, fourth graders A and B. How are you today? I hope you are doing very well today. Inshallah, we will start to do the exercises in your workbook in Unit 8. I lived in the library. All the exercises are related to the past simple. I hope that you studied the regular and irregular verbs very well, ya Rabi. So let's start with the first exercise in your workbook on page 45, exercise A, unscramble and write. We have 4 pictures and then we will write the word under each picture. Exercise exercise A. طبعا the first word is baseball, the second word is grandma, third word is race car driver, and the fourth word is visited. طبعا all these words are related to the conversation on your class book. Now let's move to exercise B. Read, match and write. طبعا يا رابع, you know that I read the questions that are in your workbook. Okay. Exercise B. طبعا we have 4 words: visited, library, car race, and played. We are going to put the word in the correct blank. That was filled with books. أكيد the library. Okay. Number 2, those cars were driving so fast in the car race. طبعا وهدول الكلمات were mentioned in the conversation in your class book. We Spain last month. Spain يعني إسبانيا. Okay, أكيد we visited Spain last month. And number 4, Ed hockey with his friends. أكيد Ed played hockey with his friends. طبعا as I say, always try to do all the exercises by your own, then check your answers with me. Now let's move to page 46. Okay, page 46 and exercise C. Read and choose, take the correct picture. Okay, بحكي لي طبعا we have 3 sentences. Each sentence is related to one picture of these pictures. The correct picture, we are going to take it. Okay. I looked at the books in the library. أكيد this sentence is related to this picture, so you take this picture, not this one. We went to the science museum. طبعا برضو you take the first picture زي ما انتم شايفين museum, but this is a cinema. They played volleyball. أكيد this picture, you take this picture. Now let's move to exercise D on the same page. Okay. Exercise D بيحكي لي put the expression or sentence into the correct place in the paragraph. We have a paragraph. There are 4 blanks. عنا 4 فراغات in this paragraph. في هاي الباراجراف we have 1 2 3 4. We have 4 expressions. طبعا والexpressions هدول were mentioned in the conversation. The first expression is I sure do. When the second is when you grow up. The third I know what you mean. And the fourth is awesome. طبعا I explained all the meanings of these expressions, so let's do the exercise. Okay, exercise D, page 46. طبعا it is a conversation between Steve and Rick. Steve بيحكي what do you want to do for work. طبعا عنا blank بدنا نحط فيه when you grow up. Okay, Rick بيحكي I'd like to be a doctor. What about you? Steve بيجاوبه بيحكي له Awesome. I think being a doctor is such important work. Do you like science? طبعا بيجاوب Rick بيحكي له I sure do. I always look forward to science class at school. And the last one is Steve says I know what you mean. it's one of my favorites too. هي واحدة من الحصص المفضلة لدي, which is the science class. Okay, now let's move to page 47. 47 exercise E. طبعا we have you have to write these 4 sentences, 1 2 3 4 and 5. رابع عندكم 4 فراغات بدكم تكتبوا فيه هدول الجمل. اوكي, طبعا فوق عندكم كلمات وارقام, انه مثلا number 1 equals he, number 2 equals she, number 3 equals we. محطوط عندكم فوق مثلا A محطوط 29 the clothes, بتدوروا مثلا number 2 is she, بدنا نحط she. 9 بتحكي لنا ironed, فبدكم تحطوا she ironed the clothes, يعني زي اللعبة. اوكي, انا هون مرتبين عنا الجمل, بس انتوا اكتبوهم عندكم على الدفتر او على الورك بوك. اوكي, let's see. اوكي, اوكي, طبعا please underline all please underline all the verbs too. Okay. 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 طبعا the first one is done for you, which is number A. She ironed the clothes. Okay, هاي ironed هي الverb to, شايفين it is regular ended with ed. Number 2, he played with his friends. طبعا this is the verb to. Number 3, they watched TV. طبعا this is the verb to. She cooked dinner and we washed the dishes. طبعا وانتو كمان يعني بترتبوا, you order these numbers according to the pictures. Okay. Number 1, she ironed the clothes or clothes. طبعا two pronunciations. Okay. Number 2, okay, he played with his friends. طبعا this is number 2. Number 3, they watched TV. طبعا هاي number 3. Number 4, she cooked dinner. This is number 4. Oh, the last one, we washed the dishes. This is number 5. Okay, now let's move to exercise F on page برضو 47. Okay, exercise F is very important يا رابع. Okay, لحظة. Okay. Okay. Okay, exercise F بيحكي لي look and answer. طبعا we are going to write questions using did and verb 1. Okay, then we will answer all these questions. طبعا the first question is done for you in your workbook. The first question is, did she shop the vegetables? طبعا according to the picture. I am forming a question according to the picture. The answer is yes, she did. And I told you earlier that when you form a question using did or verb 2, you start the question with did plus subject plus verb 1. Okay? Okay. Let's move to exercise to question number 2. معطينكم هم بالكتاب ride a bike. طبعا بدي اكتب انا did she ride a bike. طبعا الجواب بده يكون no she didn't because she is riding her scooter. Okay, question number 3, did he read the newspaper? طبعا هو معطينكم the newspaper and you have to write did he read. Okay, yes he did. And number 4, question number 4, did معطينكم الديد وانتم بدكم تكملوا السؤال. طبعا احنا حكينا الديد موجودة، اذا بدنا نحط subject and verb 1. did she fly a kite? Yes she did. زي according to the picture she is flying her kite, so yes she did. طبعا this is the end of our class for today. Please write all the answers on your workbook. Thank you very much.